Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is my new product. It is called Karaoke Box. So let me show what is the function of this Karaoke Box. It is very beautiful, small in size and very easy to use. Now let's talk about the features. So this is the antenna has track volume, mic volume, echo and reverb function. You can connect two cord mic and one cordless mic. Very lightweight. It is also connected to Bluetooth for music playing. It's run on 220 volt and it connected to any home theater, any sound system by RC audio connecting pin. This is the RC connecting stereo connecting pin. Very easy for connection and very easy for operating in the sound system. If you want this karaoke box, then you can comment on my YouTube in the below description. I have kept its price only 1,500. Please can contact me by the showing this number on the screen. So now let's go for its testing. So now connecting by RC pin. So simply you connect this on the 2-pin stereo connection and to the 220 volt. Now it is connected, it is on, red light is on. It is connected to any home theater, any sound system and any amplifier. So now we are testing. So just on the sound system. This is on. And select the mode, auxiliary mode, where it is connected. Okay, now this is the cordless mic. Hello, check. This is mic. Hello, this is mic volume. This is echo and volume of mic. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello. Then now see the echo effect and reverb effect. Hello, check. Hello, check. Check. Hello. Yeah, hello. This is the very good sound effect and very easy and very lightweight. So you can connect any home theater and any sound system, any amplifier. Easy to use, easy to carry, and this is very smart and very light. So now we connect the Bluetooth on mobile and connect the music also. This is the music volume. So what is the function of karaoke? This is the explain on the Bluetooth connecting to the mobile. More settings, and this is the BT 5.0 music. Pair. This is connected. Okay. Off. Now the play karaoke song.
music.